Okay, hello YouTube. Tech House here, and in this video, we're gonna be doing a tutorial on how to make a phone data in Android Studio. Well, before you proceed, you need to have Android Studio installed and also Java installed. Java is a prerequisite for running Android Studio, so without the Java, you cannot run Android Studio. So let me just get started. Open Android Studio. It could take a while, so I'm just going to pause the video. Okay, so my Android Studio is running now, and the first thing we need to do is to start a new Android Studio project. So we click on Start New Android Studio Project. Write the name of our application. That is gonna be Phone Dialer, and the company name. That is right. Phone Dialer.com. And it's going to be saved as sorry, the previous one. So phone dialer D. That's why I'm saving the project. Click on next. Yeah, selecting the minimum SDK, and I'm going to select Honeycomb so that you'll be able to run a vast number of devices. Like about 94% devices will be able to run this phone dialer. That's what we need here. And next, I'm going to choose an empty activity. We don't need a blank activity here since the blank activity has this floating action button. We're not going to be using the floating action button. We're just going to be, we just need an empty activity to run this project. Okay, so next, activity name, main activity here, learning activity underscore main. That's cool. So click on finish, and then wait for our application to start building. So I'm going to pause the video again so that everything goes faster. Okay, our activity is done. The Gradle is done building. So the first thing we're going to do is go to the layout file. That's the activity underscore main.xml, and then we're going to design our user interface. It's going to be a simple user interface, not a complex one. Okay, so we have this hello world default text view. We're going to delete it. So we delete that one, and the first thing we're going to put here is the edit text to take in the numbers of the from the user, taking the phone numbers from the user. You can get the edit text from where's the edit text? I can't see. Okay, you get it from here, plain text. But this one we need to match parents. So going here, we're going to change the width to match parents. Match. Why is my PC slow today? Match parents. Okay, match parents here. And I'm going to give the ID as screen. That's going to take a. Okay, so my edit text is done. What I have to do next is I'm going to use a linear layout, a horizontal linear layout, and I'll put the numbers inside. Buttons actually. So I get 3 buttons. Button 1, button 2, and button 3. So let's go to the text part of this. We'll name this one button 1. And we give it an ID BTN1. Name this one button 2. Button 2. And this one button 3. ID BTN3. Okay, so 3. I'm going to give this layout a weight sum of 6, and this will have a weight sum of 333. So that's it will look quite okay. Let's have a weight of 2. This one has a weight of 2. Weight 2. Weight 2. And then you can see that they both look same size. And then what I'm going to do is change the height of this to wrap content. Okay. So I'm done. It's 1 to 3%. And the next thing I'm going to do is did I give him my right buttons? Okay. The next thing to do is another layout down here. I'll need extra buttons. 1, 2, 3. So this is 4, 5, 6. Let's get started here. Layouts, weights, layout weight. Weight 6. Button 4. Button 4. Weight 2. Oh, 5. Button 5. BTN 5. Oh, I wish I could manage this. Weight 2. 6. Oh my god. ETN 6. Okay, I'm done with this. Okay, let's check the weight. Yeah, it's weight. So weight 6. Okay, wow, 2. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, remaining this height to wrap content. Okay, I need 2 more another layouts. Okay, now let me that. So 1 at 2 at 3. Okay, this side, content. Okay, last one. A1. Oh. A1. A2. A3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And let's do it. Shit. Okay, this is match parent height. Match parent is supposed to be this height is supposed to be content. Okay, so we done here. This one is also here. So we started from here. 6, 7, 8, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9. Oh, I didn't do the weight sums. Crap, man, this is lower work with some 6. Yeah, let's weight 2. And let's copy this. Copy, paste. Okay, we need this one too. With some 6. Paste. And this is gonna be down. ETN down. This is going to be okay. We're not gonna put anything here. I'm just gonna put 3 ellipses. I'm going to put ellipses there, and I'm just gonna register that. Or let me just write button now. Now, and we're gonna put the wait some two, and this is going to be delete del button del, and okay. So our user interface is set. So you can see we have this cool, nice interface for what we're going to use to be calling our girlfriends, boyfriends, our loved ones, family friends, whatever. So let's just get started. Okay, we're going to enter the main activity and start coding it right from here. So we have an edit text in the user interface. So what we're going to do now is initialize the edit text. So edit text, and we name the screen, right? You can actually give it any name you want. Any name, apart from the name you give it in the activity main. So I can name it edit text. But let me just leave the screen there. So I have screen here, and I'm going to create an initializer. I'm going to initialize the view. Initialize view. That's the method I'm going to create. So I just create the method here, and then we'll start initializing. Oh god, what happened to my screen? Oh no, oh no. The screen is fucked up. Oh, okay, it's cool. So we are going to initialize the screen. So we do this by finding the view. So first I'm going to cast it to edit text. Then I'll find the view by ID. So r.id.screen. You can't find screen there. I don't think I gave it here, so let me just do that straight up. I thought I did it. Yeah, ID screen. Okay, maybe I didn't save it. I'm supposed to find screen here. ID.screen. Okay, it's there. And what I'm going to do next is I'm going to create an array of the IDs for the buttons, because I don't want to be initializing every button at a time. Like I'm now going to write private button 1, button 2, and then when I come here I'm going to write button 1 is equal to button find view by ID. How does ID dot button 1? It's going to take a whole lot of time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create an array of the IDs. So the first ID we had is button 1. How does ID dot btn 1? How does ID dot btn 2? How does ID dot btn 3? Space. Oh, space. How does ID dot btn 4? How does ID dot btn 5? How does ID dot btn 6? Space. How does ID dot btn 7? How does ID dot btn 8? How does ID dot btn 9? We have space. How does ID dot btn down? How does ID dot btn down? And I think I said something else. I should have added hash somewhere. Yeah, because how do I need a btn del? Oh, I forgot something. I left out the star and hash. So before that, I'm going to create another layout for the star and hash part of it. Damn it, that's so much work right now. So let me see. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to drag this um, layout downwards a bit so that I can add a star and hash buttons. So horizontal layout here. Then where is it? This one here. Okay. Grab content. Grab content. So we're going to do going to place buttons there. So we have one button here, another button, and another button. That's going to represent as start zeroing hash. So wait some 6. Wait to this btn star star 0 btn 0 and wait and btn hash. That's your hash, right? Okay, btn hash. So wait some 2. Okay, so we are done. We have our interface. Let's get back here. So we need to add this one. Okay, we need to add. Oh wow. We need to add. I want to say btn star. Let's come here. btn 0 and then around it id with btn hash. Oh, okay, I know what I'm having. This is supposed to be an array, so I'm supposed to give an array here. Okay, now that's it. Problem solved. Okay, so we now put all the IDs in an array. Next thing you have to do is give them. You have to find their views. So I'm going to write an else for to do that. Name it int d ID list, but you're going to look through the ID list and get their views. So these buttons are all views, so it's going to view b is equal to view find view that by id, and the id is going to be d. So what this enhance value does is that the int d holds every value for in the ID list. So I have the ID button 1, button 2, button 3. The int d is going to hold when it loops through. That's why we find the view by ID and we are putting d into the bracket here. Putting d here. So what we just going to do is b dot set on click listener this, and then we have to, that means you have to implement on click listener in our class. So you just have to add this implement on click listener. No, not this on click listener. View dot on click listener. View dot on click listener. Okay, and then we have to implement the methods. So we do that here, and it's about show up. Okay, it's up now. So we're done with that. But the next thing we're going to do is we're going to create another method, public void display and string value screen as append value. What this method is going to do is that anytime user taps on the button, let's say 0, it's going to append it to the screen. So let's say we have 024464 blah blah blah. The display method is going to append every button pressed onto the edit text. So you will see what it has there. So now in the switch, in the on-click listener, we're going to create a switch case. So we're going to use v dot get id, v dot get id, and then give the cases here. So we have for my id is r dot button 1 to whatever. So case r dot id dot button 1 and break. So what we're going to do here is that when a user taps on r dot id dot button 1, it should display 1. You get me? So we're going to do this for every other button here. r dot id dot button 2 display 2 break. Here's r dot id dot button 3 display 3 break. So we're going to just pause the video and type everything. Okay guys, so I'm done doing the cases for all the buttons, button 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0, button star, button hash, button down. So it's remaining the button down and the button delete. So with the button down, what we are going to be doing is that this is where the actions will actually going to take place. So we are going to create an if and else statement for the button down. So if screen dot get text that's a string that is empty, then we are going to toast on the screen with the application context. We're going to toast on the screen and enter some digits. Enter some digits. Then toast. But then structs that show